Hello everyone. I'm Emma, your English teacher.
And I'm Jake, your conversation partner from America.
Today we're going to talk about our intentions and desires.
That sounds interesting. How do we talk about our intentions?
We use verbs like want, need, hope, plan, and decide.
Great. Can you give me an example?
Sure. I want to travel to Paris next year.
I see. So, want to shows what you desire.
Exactly. And need to shows something essential, like, I need to study for my exams.
That's helpful. What about hope to?
When I say I hope to visit London, it expresses a wish.
I understand now. Let's explore more through dialogue.
Absolutely. Let's start with our first conversation. Jake, what do you want to do this weekend?
I want to go hiking in the mountains. How about you?
I want to relax and read a book.
That sounds nice. Do you need to visit the library for that?
Yes, I need to borrow some new books.
What kind of books do you like?
I hope to read mystery novels. They are so exciting.
Mystery novels are great. I want to read them too.
Let's make a plan to read together.
That's a good idea. I hope we enjoy the same books.
What's your favorite mystery book?
I need to think. I really like The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes.
Oh, I hope to read that one soon.
By the way, I plan to hike on Sunday. You want to join?
I would love to, but I need to finish my book first.
No problem. We can plan for next weekend.
That sounds perfect. I decide to finish my book quickly.
Good luck. Will you need any help?
No, I think I can manage. Thanks, Jake.
You're welcome. Let's continue learning more.
Next, let's explain how these verbs work. When we say, want to, we're expressing a desire. For example, I want to go to the beach. Another example, he wants to eat pizza. Now, let's look at need to. I need to work on my English. Another example is, she needs to buy groceries. Next up is hope to. For instance, I hope to see you soon. Also, they hope to travel next summer.
These examples make it clear.
I'm glad you think so. We can practice more with dialogue.
What should we talk about now?
Let's discuss our future plans.
Great. I plan to travel to New York next month.
That sounds exciting. I hope to visit New York one day.
You should. Do you want to see Central Park?
Absolutely. I want to take a picture there.
Central Park is beautiful. What else do you want to see?
I want to visit museums as well.
Museums are interesting. I hope to visit the Met.
Good choice. I hope to go there too.
When you go, you need to take lots of pictures.
Yes, I need to remember all the details.
Have you decided what you want to do after New York?
I hope to go to California next.
That sounds amazing. Do you need help planning?
No, I think I can plan it myself.
Good luck. I hope you have an amazing trip.
Thank you. I want to make it memorable.
It will be. Do you need anything else for your trips?
I might need a new suitcase.
I plan to buy one for my trip too.
Let's review the vocabulary now. The first word is want. You can say, I want to eat cake.
Or, he wants to watch a movie.
And, we want to play soccer. It's a great way to express desire. Next is need. For example, I need to drink water.
Another example is, she needs to finish her homework.
And also, they need to leave early. Now let's talk about hope. For instance, I hope to see you soon.
Or, we hope to win the game.
And, he hopes to be a doctor one day. The next word is plan. You can say, I plan to cook dinner.
Another one is, she plans to visit friends.
And also, they plan to go shopping on Saturday. Finally, we have decide. You can say, I decide to take a nap.
Or, he decides to travel more.
And, they decided to change their plans. Now, let's review what we've learned.
Okay, what do you want to do this weekend?
I want to go to the movies. And you?
I need to finish a project. Do you hope to join me?
I hope so. What do you decide?
I plan to finish it by Friday.
Excellent. Remember to use want, need, hope, plan, and decide. Before we finish, let's talk about our next lesson.
What will our next topic be about?
We will discuss how to express preferences.
That sounds great. I hope everyone joins us next time.
Yes. Thank you for learning with us today.
Goodbye, everyone.